Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be giving you guys a house tour. This one was requested, for giving an idea, how the room them stay and thing. In the lovely Myrtle Beach sun come up and everything nice and curry, pretty. Go to the pretty bad. Listen, I love when the sun come up, cause listen, it's when it cool. I'm not used to the cold. I don't know if you can see, but you see the little line where they cross. Let me see if I can put my finger up and show you. A line where they cross right there, so that is the sea, yo. So that's how near me there to the sea. I can actually take a minute and walk down there. So welcome to my apartment. Alright. But show you what I'm going, So this is our room where we stay in. This is my lovely couch. And we have a kitchen area, we have a fridge, we have two fridges, so this is our next fridge. And this is our seating area, microwave and something. And yes, we have a TV, we can watch TV. So nobody feel like we left stranded down there in some bush place. No. So this is a private room, put some curtain or something. So this is my private room that I have. That's our single room, so whoever come, can stay in another room there if you know what I say by yourself. Yeah. So this is my sitting room area, my living room, I call it. Yeah. Where you can sit down and watch TV. Alright, so in the other room now. So this room, sometimes I have 2 beds, sometimes I have 3 beds. Nobody's here yet. Yeah, so this is our dresser. This is our second dresser. Nobody's here yet to use it. And this is my lovely bathroom. Yeah, big up yourself bathroom up to the time. Yeah, get a shower curtain. You can buy the things on the mat and stuff and put up on the floor. I make myself feel at home and these things. Nobody come and say, oh, I miss me yard, whatever. I come and buy on the curtain and the mat and the stuff I am bored over there, so and stuff. Some clothes that I do and wash. I just swallow them up right there. Yeah. So I don't know what the thing go. It's on your couch, yeah. I have a remote and stuff. I mean, actually put up a curtain there, so temporary. It's a sheet actually, temporary. Until I get an next curtain, I can just put it up, make the place so nice and comfortable. And you can stay in your room for not going away and going away and something. So nobody feel like staying there in a prison. That is a fan on the wall. So I turn on the AC over there. The AC does suck into that fan. And actually, one more up on the wall here for the other room and around this. So. Yeah, and I saw the room them stay. Some room now you have 2 bathrooms. And the bed them separated. So you have a room with all 3 beds, or next room with all 2 beds, or one room with a single bed. So I have this for the apartment. I don't know, me have my stove, I have my little oven pan there, so so I can bake. So everybody that know me know that I bake banana cake and stuff. So I can bake, and if I want to do nothing, I can do it. If I want to bake a chicken, whatever the case is, I can do it. Yeah. I want to ready. Guess what again? What's the nicest thing about it? You see, anybody who love got a party and want to go to the club or whatever, the club is like a minute away, guys. Because I can see from right so and look over the club. So Friday time and Saturday time, it's gonna be lit on those days. You can carry the best dress and something and walk over there. If you don't want to carry the best dress and don't have enough money and the money turn up like that, yeah, you can order on one suit, whatever, look a shirt and look a blouse and walk go party. Nothing wrong with that in the Red Cross, so. Like off 2 a.m. and them time, they all are interested in the party people. So sometimes people come and them feel like say everything I got stop and everything I got done and my life over, work alone. Nope. So you can come and enjoy yourself same way. Remember, so you come for work, but that don't say you not enjoy yourself and just, enjoy the moment of being here. Everybody not there for talk this way. So when you come, you just relax and go get a drink. If you don't drink, me not drink. I don't drink, I don't smoke, so me just will go and just get some whatever liquor don't have no alcohol in there, whatever mixture, whatever it is. Me not really know nothing more bartending, so me can't say alright, whatever. Yeah. So you can just come and apply on the program H2b, and I personally say I saw a person already get you on Indeed. Yeah, wanna go and go on Indeed and create a resume and add on a resume to it and go and go apply. Once you apply, man, when you will get through, you get me? Don't give up no time, as I always say. And you can go on Google to H2b in the US. You can put in South Carolina to the other hotels here, not just my hotel alone. And you go and apply. Because I believe everybody deserve a chance. I believe everybody deserve the opportunity to come here and work. You get me? So from you try, you will succeed once you have the you know, from you have it within you say you want to try. You'll get through, man. Just pray and hold the faith and not give up. But anyways, that's the end of my video. Big up on yourself. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber who there from day one. And big up on yourself. Share, like. Nobody say me a share, like and subscribe, nothing, you know. Don't just click on the subscribe button, man. And share to somebody, no man. And big up the thing, no man. If you don't like the content and more content to come, bang in.